I want to go over the trades on the day for Tuesday, September the 7th, 2021. Soybeans Day Trader 3 was the trade of the day, and we had plus 850 on this nice short trade. Very little adverse excursion, very little counter trend movement against us. So nice trade on soybeans today, plus 850. Let's look at the energy complex. No trades in the energy. Slow day, post Labor Day trade, and gold. In the metals complex, we didn't have anything in copper or silver, but in gold, we did have Asia 4 long. This strategy has struggled, and gold has been a difficult market to trade. It's one of our toughest markets in August, and you can see why. You know, August starts here with these flash moves higher, and then a big flash move lower, making its way all the way back with lots of little flash moves in here. You think it's going to go higher, and then it reverses and goes down. Pretty wide swings, and you know, even though we're trading the long side here, 4 of the last 5 trades on this has lost. 7 out of the last 8 trades, if you count these trades as well. 7 out of the last 8 trades is lost on this. So tough strategy. It's a good time though to start trading a strategy when it's in a drawdown. If you look at the longer term charts, good place on the drawdown curve to get in on a strategy like this, anticipating lower equity prices and higher gold prices at some point. So that's what we continue to trade. When it gives us the opportunity, Cobra Gold did trade here as well, plus 65, no follow through. EVP2 did a little better on the short side, and plus 405. Let's look at the market internals before we look at the stock indexes. And we have right here, we see the E-mini NASDAQ, E-mini S&P tick and an advanced decline line. So you see with the NASDAQ, it closed higher than Friday's close right here. And then S&P's closed much lower. This was the holiday trade. You see the holiday trade. Oftentimes, light volume is the one side will use that, and typically the bulls will use that light volume to push their agenda higher, try to create FOMO buying, and it's a bit manipulative in my opinion to see that, but just that light volume float up price action, maybe to cause shorts to cover, but we see that a lot on holidays, and today there was a rollover effect of sorts. While the NASDAQ was still higher, S&P closed down, but still some propping price action in here. We get this a lot. Even when the market's down, it doesn't trade below its early lows. It tries to bounce, and today, surprisingly, it sold off more into the close than normal. So to me, this is weak. This is weak price action. You see the advanced decline line was down, stayed down, and rolled over even more into the close. NASDAQ should have sold off more into the close, in my opinion. It's bid up and bid up and bid up continuously, and so near all-time highs up here. So we'll see what happens with that. Those are the market internals. See the VIX spiked, pulled back, ran up again, up in the 18 handle. Let's look at the stock index trades on the day. Cobra CT3 minus 212.50. We have 60-minute breakout minus 412.50. After hours plus 137.50, including Sunday night and Monday's trade, both in the Tuesday's session. Since it was a holiday, adaptive moving average minus 112.50. Night trader minus 800. It's been in this trade for over a week. AT 2019 plus 225. AT 2021 minus 25. AT 2021 short only minus 25. And Asia 4 long minus 825. So you see how the market sells off, comes back, rolls over. Feels like a point of just increasing and maximum manipulation to me to push this market higher. No matter what, it's just long overdue for a pullback. Even in a strong bull market, a bigger pullback is a bit healthy, and we're due for it. Doesn't mean we'll get it, but that's what my analysis shows me. Minus 812.50 night trader VSD. It's been in the trade a while. Tick fader counter trend plus 375. VSD long only minus 350 on the day. Gap continuation in reverse minus 475 on the day. Tick wave plus 225 on the day. Had the short side here on the ES. In Q, also notably, Cobra 3 NASDAQ had this short trade, and so there should have been more rollover. Like I said, there should have been more rollover. I anticipate more rollover. Doesn't mean we'll get it. They could, the dip buyers could have another surge in liquidity and cause a gap up again tomorrow. But plus 270 on Cobra 3, small gain. Cobra 3 profit target plus 270. SR counter trend 2 V2 1M plus 475. 5M plus 475. SR counter trend 2 plus 775. Tick count trend minus 625. QS3 minus 725. And in Q2, 60-minute breakout plus 365. USD long only plus 450. Tick wave short minus 825. VSD long short minus 420. Viper 2008 minus 225. And then Cobra 3 big stop loss plus 270, and EVP1 minus 1025. Those are the trades for the first trading day of the week of Labor Day, of a holiday of Monday. So it is Tuesday, September the 7th, 2021.